Wow, you're in a pouty mood today, my love. Aw, I'm sorry. Seeing your pouty little face makes me just want to tease you a little. Alright, come here, baby. Let me hold you tight. I've missed you so much. You know that? Yeah, I know I haven't really been away or you haven't been away that long, but still, even if it's for a moment, I still miss you so much. I just want to breathe in your scent and be in your warmth. Just exist with you like this is perfect to me. So, why are you all pouty, my love? Well, you have that puffy cheeks thing you do when you're pouting. You're too cute. Mm, a hard time at work? What? Why are you looking at me like that? You're hungry, aren't you? Grumpy, hungry wife comes home and starts demanding food. Of course, my love, I will make you anything you're in the mood for. Hmm? Minestra maritata? Really? You're in the mood for a wedding soup? Alright, come on, let's start cooking. Maybe that can cheer your mood up a little bit. Mm, we're going to need a big bowl. Can you grab it for me while I set up the other things, my love? Thank you, baby girl. Can you pass me the package of the lean ground beef? Open that up and place it on the bowl. Then add in some Italian sauce. Cut them up nice and thin. Hmm? No? You want it more mixed? Mm, that's alright, baby. It's for you after all. Then 2 eggs and mix that up properly. Can you pass me the parsley? Yeah, I want to cut it up extremely fine. Then add some garlic powder, then some sage, and a good bit of breadcrumbs to tie it all together. Ah, babe, can you pass me the palm from the fridge? Thank you, and the grater? Actually, I'll grab it. Mm, that should be enough. Now some salt and black pepper. Oop, where are my gloves? Baby, can you? Thank you, darling. You're the best. Now we gotta mix this up really well. I wanna get in deep in there, which is why I want the gloves. Makes it easier to clean up. Once it's all mixed, now for the fun part. Can you pass me the meatball spoon? Yeah, I gotta turn all those into little meatballs. Do you mind getting the baking tray while I started making these meatballs? Thank you, my love. All done. Time to cook these really well. Gotta fry each of them and make sure they are cooking through and through. Good. Once they're all cooked, set them aside. Good. Once they're all cooked, set them aside. Time to dice up some onions and garlic, then some celery carrots. Add all of them to my soup pot and saute them down on low heat. Once they start to steam, add some white wine. Drinking wine. If you hand me that cooking wine again, I'm jumping out of the window. Didn't I tell you to give that crap to like the neighbors or something? I don't care if it was a gift. It's so bad I refuse to cook with it. Oh shit. Baby, can you hand me the beef stock, please? I need to add it before. Thank you, thank you. Mix that a little bit and let it cook down. Now add in some orzo pasta and 2 dried up bay leaves and cover it. Leave it to cook for a bit. Mmm, smell that? Time to add in the meatballs to the soup. Once that's added, I wanna add some spinach. Is that okay? Alright. Just roughly cut these. No need to be fine. Just enough add that on top and mix it in and let that cook just a little longer. Just long enough for the spinach to cook. Mmm, do you smell that, darling? Mmm, you're drooling, baby girl. Go on, get your bowl. I'll pour you out some and grate some palm on top for you to drink up. I hope this makes you feel better. I love you forever. Always.